This dinosaur, Patagotitan majorum, is based on 6 or 7 partial individuals that were all excavated from one quarry in Argentina. They really had their culmination in evolutionary diversity during the Cretaceous in the southern continents, what we refer to as Gondwana land. So the skeleton is based on bones from all 7 of those different individuals. And so it's what we call a composite skeleton. Patagotitan lived about 100 million years ago in Argentina, in Patagonia. Patagotitan is a sauropod dinosaur, long neck, long tailed dinosaur. They are the biggest of the dinosaurs, and this is the biggest of the sauropods. This dinosaur, like all sauropods, the long neck, long tailed dinosaurs, was an herbivore, a plant eater. As you can see, we've got the neck up here looking in through the second floor archways. But with this animal, we have a pretty good idea of how long it was, which for this cast is 122 feet.